Aerzen offers several preventative maintenance options to help you optimize uptime, increase efficiency, and extend the life of your equipment. These options include startup commissioning, preventative maintenance and analysis, removal and installation services, on-site troubleshooting and training. An experienced technician can be on-site for an initial startup or commissioning of a new unit to ensure proper installation. Aerzen field service technicians can perform the annual preventative maintenance and inspections. Each annual visit includes an inspection report documenting the equipment's status and making recommendations for future overhaul requirements. Parts are replaced as needed. Preventative maintenance agreements are available and provide you with OEM Parts, an annual reminder of preventative maintenance requirements, and cost savings based on fixed pricing and discounting. Aerzen's experienced team of field service technicians is located throughout the United States and are specialized in troubleshooting and restoring your machines to original factory standards. Customized training can be provided by Aerzen technicians at your location, ensuring a detailed understanding of your equipment. For preventative maintenance solutions, contact Aerzen. Aerzen. Expect performance.